Hi friends, welcome back, and today I am here with a Thrift Flip Thursday. And this is hosted by Shayna and Savannah and co-hosted by Megan. So in this challenge, I will show you how I transformed my curb pickup chairs. So the chair actually looked like this. It was not in a good condition. It was in a really mess, but and I give them some nice cleaning and sanding along with some fixing that was required on some part, and I used some wood glue along with E600 and fixed the broken part. It was little tedious. I went back and forth with like different kind of colors. I was thinking about teal color, yellow color, and white. So I wanted to do something different. So that's why I selected the yellow color. And this yellow color is a lemon yellow color, and that is my favorite. So after deciding on that color and giving it a first coat to my chairs, I thought I didn't make a bad decision after all. So I almost gave 3 to 4 coats to each chair and making sure that the right amount of color that I want to be displayed on my chair shows. And I think I was very close. Like the top part of the chair really got the color, the kind of color that I want to see on my chair. But by the time I reached to the bottom part where the legs and everything, it was just super hard. Like you have to have some kind of like round brush. That's what I came to conclusion that I should have some kind of like round brush where it can reach to all the corners on the bottom. So now moving on to my next chair. Before I move on, this is the color that I use. I got it from Lowe's. I actually really like the color, like the thickness of the color, but it would have been better if it was like more thick. I didn't have to like go give like more than 2 coats, but the 2 coats were not enough, so I had to give it like third time and 4 times. So moving on to my next chair, it was broken from the right side, and you see the crack over here. It's not actually a crack, it's just the like dislocated part, which I fixed with the E6000 and wood glue. I just thought like wood glue is not enough, so I used E6000. I just put some pressure on it and it was good. So here's the final result. They actually look super cute in my sunroom, and I always wanted to have some yellow furniture in my house because I love vibrant colors. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys had so much fun watching as much as I have fun making it. Alright, thank you. Bye bye.